So we're here today at Sunstate Motorcycles, and today we're going to be fitting some brand new CFMOTO accessories to my 700 CL X Heritage. That's what we're looking for. We're going to be looking for some Allen keys. That's all we need to fit up the foot for the side stand, which looks really good. I can't wait for it to get on there. It'll help with soft ground and when it's off-road. This is all of the genuine accessories from CFMOTO. They've got a huge range to fit just about every model they make. What we're looking at here is the latest range for the 700 CL X Heritage, that have been provided by CFMOTO Australia. This will be a huge accessory for the off-road rides that we do. Okay, with a 4mm Allen key, these 3 screws need to be removed. You place the foot on the bottom of the side stand, a little bit of Loctite on each screw, tighten it up again, and bob's your uncle. That ground gets further away every day. Right, so that's done. So what we're going to do now is the chain guard. Again, beautifully packaged. If anyone's wondering about the quality of CFMOTO, I mean, they really do need to see these accessories as well. Some of the fun with this sort of thing is the unboxing. And again, here we go with the more Loctite, more fasteners, all stainless steel, and the beautiful X logo chain guard, both upper and lower. Quite amazing. All the CFMOTO logos through them as well. Now it's going to be a sensational accessory to this bike. You know what? They printed this upside down. What do you reckon, Rusty? Oh, mate, you should do this for a living. Okay, so anyway, I need a 4mm and a 5mm Allen wrench apparently. I don't have protective gloves, but that's okay. I've got these. So I've got my 4mm and my 5mm Allen key, and according to the instructions, this will come off very, very easily. So far, so good. We're going to do 1, we're going to do 2. Oh, and that just comes straight away, that's easy. So someone needs to clean their sprocket, but we won't mention who and where. Now, so that's the strengthening part of the new chain guard, apparently. Not so decorative, but it's meant to just give this part a little bit more integrity, a little bit more strength. Hayden, we just found something amazing in these accessories. They not only give you a choice of silver screws, but also black screws. So you get your choice. So you can either have silver screws or black screws. It's a little thing, but how amazing is that?
No one else does that.
No one else does that. The strengthening part of the chain guard goes on the inside like that, and it will mount up like so. So the next thing we're fitting is the Scrambler side bag. There is a small degree of difficulty with it, but it still looks pretty easy, so I'm about to give it a try and show you how it's done. This is the mounting rack for the pannier bag, and it's made out of very, very high quality stainless and aluminium. Everything's drilled up, ready to fit. I'm just orientating the map, so we're removing this side here. So what have we got to do? We've got to take that screw out there and that screw out there. So I'll need a Phillips screwdriver. There we go, there's a Phillips screwdriver. Chuck key. And they just pull out like that. That's the piece we're looking for. So we're going to go into that hole there and that hole there. turned out good. Really wish I didn't have to drill holes in my brand new bike, but anyway, that turned out okay. So install the drilled rear deco guard back to its original position. That's easy. So I'll go get my screws again and screwdriver. That went in pretty easy. Now I have to state, when you guys are doing this at home, the company does give you quite a lot of Loctite, and I would fully recommend using the Loctite for installation. That'll help in the long term, and when we're finished filming here, I'll be putting Loctite on this again.
Right side, Dale?
Oh, look, I'll take blame for it. It's purely because I didn't read the instructions. So, my fault.
That is supposed to be facing in, but it's fucking supposed to be flush, mate. If you put that in, then it follows the contour of that, and this side will be flat.
It does take a couple of times to get it right. It is one of those things where once you've done it a few times, it'll go okay. But if you happen to get it half on, that's a problem. Okay, so the bracket's now on. If Rusty, could you hand me the bag? Thanks, mate. Now, this is the first time I've ever done this, so that slides on there. I think we use the key now. So that slides onto that. Now locked. I think it's the best looking saddlebag I've ever seen on the 700 CFMOTO.
It is by far.
Look at that. It's all
waterproof.
It is waterproof. It's got no. Oh, there is secret things in there. Cool. I've got a bag. Thanks, Rusty.